Hey guys, episode 9 of the Bitcoin and crypto portfolio series. Just a casual £16,000 drop this week. As you say, the main markets, stock markets and gold and silver go up or down, and Bitcoin and crypto is an amplified version of that really, so you got to expect these sort of large moves down when the other markets go down. I'm sort of fairly used to this over the last few years. Don't really get too shaken by it. But yeah, so sort of the main market down sort of 11-12%. A bit of a move, but a lot of the other altcoins are down even more. I do still believe in the altcoins as a longer term. The dominance of Bitcoin sort of to the whole market has been going down. So altcoins overall are rising. Obviously the altcoins are nowhere near the sort of March lows. So yeah, still pretty good. Not buying anything at the moment. As I say, again, sort of could have put more money in, or I did put a little bit more money in March and April. But yeah, being most of the coins being so far above that, I wouldn't really be looking to add anything at this point. Yeah, so some of the other coins, Ethereum, sort of down a little bit more than Bitcoin, but some real fallers in the altcoins. OMG network that was sort of very high up on the month had a big rise, so not surprised really to see this week it's taken a big drop, 28%. But longer term, it's pretty good. This was £1, not so long ago. So that's pretty good. Most of the others sort of down 20% or so. Tron, actually one of the only ones sort of bucking a trend. Has seen a big drop, sort of similar to the others, but a little bit like OMG network, sort of went up earlier in the week, sort of had a real high rise, so overall it's still up 15% nearly, so it's pretty good. I see the team are getting into sort of decentralized finance, trying to maybe jump on the bandwagon of some of the other sort of new coins, but yeah, not quite so speculative as the sort of sushi and spaghetti and hot dogs and that sort of thing. It's not quite that, but they seem to want to get into the space. Yeah, so most of the other, actually one of the biggest drops, it seems, is basic attention token. Seems a little bit unusual. It's normally sort of more stable. It doesn't go up quite as much as the others and generally doesn't come down, but 33% nearly. But yeah, still see this as positive. Get it for free using the Brave browser as well, so it's always nice. Yeah, so you got to kind of take these drops with a bit of apathy really. It's going to go up, it's going to go down. Nothing goes up in a straight line, and as they say, and in sort of the 2017 bull run, you had plenty of these. It was, it would rocket up for a little while and then it would come down 20-30%, but it'd still be way higher than it was sort of before, say a month before. So you're up 70-80%, down 20 or 30, so it's not too bad. And yeah, hopefully sort of see what happens. Maybe it goes down a little bit more in the next week or two, but yeah, hoping for a positive move from there on. Yeah, so leave your thoughts in comments below. If you're sort of not used to big moves like this, then let me know what you think, and like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye bye.